I'm Tim Kelchner with your Catholic Health Update. Catholic Health's St. Francis Hospital and Heart Center and the Gift of Life have once again partnered to provide life-changing heart surgery to a young patient in need. This is 6-year-old Abigail Joseph. The young girl suffered from a heart defect and was unable to receive treatment in her home country of Haiti. I'm happy to share that thanks to the Gift of Life, she recently underwent surgery with St. Francis Hospital Chair of Pediatric Cardiology, Dr. Sean Levchuk, and is doing great. 2 Catholic Health hospitals combined for a very cute event at a Long Island school recently. Students learned the importance of helmet safety, basic first aid, injury prevention, and they were absolutely adorable while doing it. Finally, the Empire State Ride Long Island is less than a month away, but there's still time to sign up. The one-day biking event supports cutting-edge clinical trials for cancer patients at Catholic Health Cancer Institutes and Roswell Park Comprehensive Cancer Center. There are 3 routes to choose from: 10 miles, 25 miles, and 62 miles, so something for everyone. The ride is on Saturday, July 22nd, and starts in the town of Oyster Bay. To register for the ride, head over to our website, chsli.org, and check out the upcoming events. With your Catholic Health Update, I'm Tim Kelchner.